हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का नमस्कार। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हमने 25 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेके आ रहे हैं, जिसने मेट फॉर्मेट सेकंड क्लास एंड फर्स्ट क्लास का तैयारी कर रहे हैं। आपने इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए। पहला क्वेश्चन, सिलेक्शन ऑफ डम्पर साइज इन ए शॉवेल डम्पर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ए रिमूवल सिस्टम डिपेंड्स ऑन आंसर डी size of the shovel and the distance of whole road. Question number 2. What is the shape of the casting in a centrifugal cam? Answer C. Blast ability is expressed by the formula. Answer A. B is equal to C by T. B is equal to blast ability, C is equal to compressive strength, T is equal to tensile strength of a rock. Answer A. Permissible dust concentration in Indian mines per square meter of air sample is answer C 5 mg. Emulsion explosive is a mixture of answer A AnH2O water balloons. Fly rocks can be controlled by answer B muffle type blasting. Which national safety conference is recommended that a new strategies should be planned to achieve goal of zero accident potential? Answer C. If the dust survey conducted show the result 75%, the subsequent survey shall be carried on an interval not exceeding answer 1 month. Which notified disease notified under section 25 of the Mines Act 1952 also notified under Factory of Act? Answer B. In which blasting technique electrical energy transformers and electrolytic solution in a borehole? Answer B. Plasma blasting. The register of reportable injuries, which is maintained in Form J, shall be sent to concerned inspector of mines. Answer B. Quarterly. Efficiency means the right thing is done in right manner by the right man at the right place. Answer A. At the right time. The percentage of reduction in volume of given solvent to compact state is answer A soil factor. ध्यान दीजिएगा दोस्तों, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में बार बार आते हैं, तो इस क्वेश्चन सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो इसको आपको याद करना जरूरी है। व्हाट इज द मिनिमम हाइट ऑफ रूफ इन केस ऑफ फ्लैट रूफ रेस्ट शेल्टर? ऑब्वियसली आंसर सभी को पता है 2.5 मीटर। %% idle time for man and machine is found by answer D work sampling. Monson study is used all the following except answer A reducing the inventory costs. Answer A. Which one is an example of blasting agent? Answer B non-cap sensitive. Operation management is applicable for answer A. The board of mining exam consists CIM as chairman and 5 persons having some criteria. Which one from the below does not matches with maintained criteria? Answer B. First class certificate holder from both coal and non-coal mines. No business shall be transacted at a meeting of the board exam unless at least answer A Modern managers are answer D. Planning, organizing, directing and controlling are the function of management. Answer A. Mr. X is a branch manager for a company. He is answer C. Supervisory management. Improvement is related to answer C. आंसर है डायरेक्टिंग। थैंक यू दोस्तों, आज का वीडियो को हम यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं। इसका पार्ट 3 वीडियो देखने के लिए आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। थैंक यू।